Welcome back to EG Financials. Today we're taking a look at this week's performance for the stock market, and then we're also taking a look at the economic calendar of data and reports that were released. And starting off with the stock market performance by sector, we're looking at this week's performance. So communication services increased 6.7% this week, energy increased 2.2%, and at the bottom we have real estate at negative 1.29%, and utilities and financials about 0.5% decrease. Next, let's take a look at the 6-month performance for these sectors. And information technology increased 33% in the last 6 months. Communication services increased 27.7%, and consumer discretionary increased 20.17% in the past 6 months. At the bottom, we have energy decreasing 8.5% and real estate decreasing 5%. Next, let's take a look at the 1-year performance. On top for the 1-year performance, we have information technology with a 29% return, communication services with a 20% return, and industrials with a 19.6% return. At the bottom, we have real estate with a decrease of 11.3% and utilities with a negative 6.8%. And I'm sure you're all curious to see the 5-year performance for these sectors. So let's take a quick look. On top, we have information technology with a return of 145%. And at the bottom, we have energy with only a 15% return in the past 5 years. Next, let's take a look at the economic calendar. Starting off with July 25th, 2023, we had the Case-Shiller Home Price Index. Year over year, it saw a decrease of 1.7%. Mortgage rates for the 30-year fix came in at 6.87%. New home sales month over month decreased negative 0.25%. And the biggest news of the week was the Federal Reserve's decision for the interest rates, where they increased it by 25 basis points. GDP growth rate came in at 2.4%. Durable good orders came in at 4.7% increase month over month. Initials jobless claims came in at 221,000. Expected was 235,000. And for today, Friday, July 28th, we got core PCE price index month over month came in at 0.2%. Personal spending month over month came in at 0.5%. And personal income month over month increased 0.3%. And every day we do cover new reports and data, so make sure you follow for more updates.